Where you at, bitch? Oh, hey YouTube, my name is Crane, and we're back on Phasmophobia, and today we're gonna do Edgefield. Roadhouse? No, not Roadhouse. Street House. I can't read. Alright. And with that, we're just gonna head right in and see the spookums that happens. Okay, we're here. And I don't think I heard much. I didn't think he said anything too special about the ghost. So this is going to be an interesting one. Dorothy Harris wants people who are alone. We have to motion sensor, salt, and thermometer. So actually, that's perfect. Take that, and that. And yeah, we're just gonna not forget the key and double check. Dorothy Harris. Okay, we're gonna remember it this time. Dorothy, Dorothy, Dorothy. We're gonna head on in to Edgefield. Dorothy Harris, give me a sign. Very interesting. Ooh, that's a nice beanbag chair. Dude, I'd lounge in that all day. Okay. Give me a sign. Oh. Heard a footstep. Steppy, steppy. Steppy, steppy. Chilling in here? Ooh, it sounds like you're in here. Oh, hello? Dorothy? Hello, Dorothy? Definitely in here. Actually need to get under 10, though. You want to give me something under 10, please? Come on, Dorothy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, Dorothy, I see. I know. I know what you're doing. I know what you're playing. Did you leave? What the freak? Oh, no. There you are. Hello. I wonder if that counted. Let's figure it out. Alright, Dorothy. You got the laundry room. Cool, that's a simple find. Now we're gonna take a picture. And I might as well take that since it did touch the door. And we have not detected yet. We will shortly, hopefully. We're gonna go find the boner. Oh! You turn it on the sink. Thank you. It's not an objective, but thank you. Is there a boner in here? Nope. Ooh, what about... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nothing out of the ordinary in there. What about down here? No Wego board? Not there. Nope. Interesting. Let us head back up then. We shall check the upstairs. After we do a quick little checky. Little checky boy. Can you give me a sign? Jesus. Oh, thank you. Can you write in the book? Ooh, it's getting cold in here. Okay, that should count. Can you show yourself? Do something? Do something? Please, Dorothy? forgot her last name. Is it Dorothy Smith or something? Dorothy, show yourself. Where are you? Okay. Guess we'll go up and move on. Oh, actually. Messing with the door. We're gonna head on up here, and we're gonna find the bone. Maybe, hopefully. Can I turn your computer on? Some computers you can turn on. Nope. What about closet? Nope. No Wegas. No Wegas. There's like 3 keys, and I don't even think there's 3 things to use the key on, so... Oh shit. Creaky, creaky. Oh, it's the hallway boner. Spooky. Is there a Wego board in here? Hello? Don't think so. I mean, there could be, but I'm not too obsessed with it. We're gonna head on out. We're gonna get the next thing. We got fingerprints. Fingerprints. Alrighty. What's our sanity at? 72. We're gonna put this baby down for a second. Actually, we're gonna put you down too. So we can carry more things. And... But you know... It's gonna be kind of a weird one for ghost orbs. I'm gonna try to keep the door open and do it that way. We're also gonna take that. Oh, I think it might be Harris' last name. If the memory that popped into my head is correct. Where are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Where are you? How old are you? How old are you? Actually, I'm gonna leave that off. Alright. I think my voice box is a little glitched. Which is weird. Usually tabbing out, tabbing back in helps, but it doesn't seem to be helping this time, so that's a little weird. So now. How old are you? Where are you? Give me a sign? Not gonna do anything, are you? Alright, well. I don't think it's... I honestly don't think it's gonna be voice box anyway. Spirit... Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now that I think about it, it could be a Revenant. EMF5 would be Revenant, and Spirit Box would be Spirit. Oh shit, so, okay. So we do want to keep the Spirit Box. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, we're gonna put that in. And we're gonna get another camera, and we're gonna pick back up my flashlight. Oh, check for orb. Oh wait, there can't be orbs, though. Yeah, there can't be orbies. And come on, where is that? Alright, what's our sanity? 67. Holy moly. We're alright. You turn it on again? No, he didn't. Where are you? How old are you? Dorothy Harris? Where are you? Give me a sign? Say something? Hello? Give me a sign. Dorothy. Oh, you're a spirit! Yay! Oh! Oh, hello! Hi! Hey, how's it going? Oh, shit, you're gone now. EMF 4? Oh, shit, well. Well, hot damn! Well, I guess now we're just gonna... Come on, Dorothy, come at me, bitch! Come at me, bitch! Dorothy Harris. Oh, actually. Hold on. Hang on. I have an objective I missed. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on. I don't want to get too ahead of myself here. So it is a spirit. Okay, good. Okay. Now... Salt! Motion sensor. Where's my sanity? Ooh, it's definitely gonna be thinking about it. Oh, Jesus. That scared me. Oh, whatever that was. It was like a door. I was like, oh shit, no, please. I'm not ready. Take the last one. Take a candle in, because why not? And, yeah. We're gonna see if we get another hunt. Dorothy Harris. Give me a sign. You know, I could have probably stayed there, but I'm fucking scared, not gonna lie. Come here, bitch. Where you at, bitch? Oh. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, I know what's going in the intro. Oh, fuck, you're still close, aren't you? Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you, Dorothy. You've been very kind. Thank you. Oh, dude, I thought it locked again. I was about to be like, no! No! Oh, my lord. Please, 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 please. Yes! Oh, my lord, yes. I'm freaking... Oh, my lord. Oh, my... That didn't count. Oh, my gosh. Oh, well, that was a good one. Alright, let's go back and, see how much we got paid. Holy crap, Dorothy. Dorothy Harris. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Yes, it was a spirit. Awesome. Alright, 161. And next time, I think we're gonna move on to the farmhouses. Maybe Grafton, maybe Bleasdale. If anyone wants to leave a comment, maybe they can decide. Who knows? I'll reply to everything. I hope everyone has a good day, and take care. Thank you.